Today we're going to bring a iPad holder, and this is perfect for those that have stationary bikes and want to be able to actually watch the actual iPad on it or any kind of tablet that you have. This is perfect. And this also works with actually also with a treadmill too. It depends on the actual fitting of it, all right? So this part right here, you loosen it up and it's a little clamp that clamps onto any kind of surfaces, all right? And it has rubber in there so you won't damage any of the stuff in there. I like the tightness in this. Now to loosen up the actual the neck itself, it's very flexible. You could actually loosen this part too, and it's adjustable to however height you want. Now to tighten it up, all you got to do is turn it around, and that's pretty much it. Now this part right here, it fits phones, iPads, pretty much any kind of surface that you have that's a tablet. Now there is a button in the back that you release. All right, that's a releasing button to release the actual extra jaw, so you could fit the actual tablet. So the way it works, I'm going to show you guys how it works. That's your tablet here. You open up your fitting, you push the button all the way up, you lock it in place. In case, just lock it in place like that. In case just make sure that it doesn't fall. Just test it out prior to setting it up. And then this is super durable and strong right here. It won't. It's if you tighten it up, it won't move and it won't budge. Another great thing is that if you don't want to use this thing, you can also use a tripod too to set up on a tripod. There's a thread in the bottom. You could take mount the whole thing and just use this for your iPad too. So 2 in 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.